Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the Chromebook model and which channel it used. This ensures the correct image. Once done, open Chrome on a second computer and install the Chromebook recovery utility. You need a USB drive or SD card with at least 4 GB. Make sure local files are backed up because recovery formats the internal storage. Insert the USB, launch the utility, choose your device model, and start creating the recovery media. This writes a verified image for a clean reinstall. Once the recovery media is created, power off the Chromebook and enter recovery mode, usually ESC plus refresh then power. This forces the firmware to read external media. Then insert the USB or SD card you made and follow on-screen prompts. The device will detect the image and begin installing. Make sure to remove extraneous peripherals and keep the charger connected to avoid interruptions. The utility verifies signatures, so you get an authentic system image. Wait patiently while the image writes and the OS reinstalls. After the image installs, the Chromebook will reboot into initial setup. You should complete Wi-Fi, time, and Google Sign in steps. Once signed in, sync your account to restore cloud data. If something goes wrong, like media not recognized or an install error, recreate the recovery USB on a different drive and a different host computer. Corrupted media is the most common fault. If errors persist, note any displayed error code. Attempt a power wash to reset user data, and contact support with the code for deeper firmware guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.